overtraded. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Ahmed Zulkarnain, and here we learn people how to we teach people how to be a professional trader in forex and stock market. And today video will be about why traders lose a trade after hitting a big profit in the biggest trade. Because when you win a trade, you feel like you are the winner. You are the king of forex. You're gonna win everything. You're gonna hit every TP profit. Then when you see another setup coming up and it's like a good setup, then when it comes to the lot size, you make a disaster there because you think that I have hit this TP profit, then why not I can even hit this TP profit? It's not a big deal. Then you'll go put a really big risk. The higher you put the risk, the higher your loss will be or in the profit. Then boom, when the stop loss hit, your account blows. This is revenge confidence. The market doesn't care about your feelings, about your emotions, about however you are hyped it. The forex market doesn't care about it. Smart traders review hits the TP profit and then stay calm and see for a setup and put a low risk. So if it even goes stop loss, it will make a little loss. Win or lose, stay disciplined and stay away from and don't gamble and be a professional trader. And forex is like a business. And if you want more if you want more videos about mindset and trading strategies tips, make sure to subscribe and like and hit the notification video, and see you in the next video.